The Digital Heroes project is about developing a network of digital heroes across the whole of Wales. So we look to work with young people, from guides, groups, to scouts, to police youth volunteers, to Welsh-backed students, to pupils within schools, colleges or universities, and helping them to gain skills and confidence to show how to get people online.
And it was suggested that maybe we could benefit from having some young people with digital skills to help support our activities to support digital inclusion in libraries. And it's working really well because they've got time, they've got the knowledge, they've had the training, and it's proven to be a really successful project.
I thought that it was a good idea to have some cross-generational work because it's unusual really to have teenagers working with older members of the community and vice versa. And also, life is so much easier if you're online.
It's just nice to help people, you know, like everyone wants to have a chance to get online, and helping them is, you know, it's a nice thing to do.
Because I wanted to help people and elderly people get online. I just like coming out to the community and helping them. When I'm older, I want to be in the police, and I find it good to help all the community.
The partnership started when we wanted to do something big for Get Online Week, which is a week of events to try to help people to get online. And we contacted the college to see if their students wanted to get involved in that week, which would help them on the IT course to get out and have some valuable experience in helping others.
I help most people with the emails. They didn't know how to respond back, or if they want to speak to their kids and stuff like that, they didn't know how to, so I just helped them most with emails.
I become a digital hero to help elderly people get online, see friends and give back.
We were really pleased that the students were able to get real experience working with people that they never met before in an unfamiliar environment. So they gained confidence from that. They were able to actually demonstrate that they had the skills that they could then pass on to other people who didn't have those skills. And I think they did get a lot of confidence from that.
Certainly got plans to expand the Digital Heroes scheme. I know Digital Communities Wales are really interested in pushing this wider, and from a Caerphilly perspective, we're really keen to do this sort of thing again and to try and get as many digital heroes out working in the community on a regular basis.
It makes you feel good about yourself because you've helped somebody do something that they might not have been able to do for ages afterwards.